It's August in Alberta and we were home for the long weekend, so we made a trip to our local reservoir to look around, do some hiking and see what we could find. It was a beautiful day, about 27 degrees with a nice breeze. The goldenrod is out and it smells very nice when you're out hiking. And we found this cute chipmunk. And look at the size of this hornet's nest. And we did find some edible oyster mushrooms on this blown over tree. You can see there's dirt on the top, so we just recently went over. Oyster mushrooms are easy to identify. They're a good choice for the novice mushroom hunter. These are the ones I found up at Slave Lake at the end of July. I'm a deer hunter and was planning on making stew for supper, but my plans changed when I found those mushrooms, so I decided to make a deer stroganoff instead. I browned up the meat in my pressure cooker, and you gotta make sure it's nice and brown. I sauteed the onions and the mushrooms, and then threw in the garlic. And the final step was adding the sour cream.